Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many Flutter developers might encounter during an upgrade. The issue at hand revolves around the deprecation of the withOpacity method in Flutter 3.27.0. If you stumbled upon this warning in your code, fret not, as we'll walk you through the solution to adapt and overcome this obstacle. Now, let's delve into the solution to this deprecated method. The reason behind withOpacity being deprecated lies in Flutter's enhancements to the color class. The recommended replacement is the utilization of withValues to streamline the process and maintain precision in your alpha channel values. By making a simple adjustment from withOpacity 0.0 to withValues alpha 0.0, you can seamlessly transition your code to the latest Flutter standards. In summary, transitioning from withOpacity to withValues in Flutter 3.27.0 is a straightforward adjustment that ensures your code remains up to date and in line with the platform's advancements. By following the provided solution and updating your code accordingly, you'll be able to maintain functionality while adhering to best practices. So go ahead, make the switch, and keep your Flutter projects running smoothly. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any quirky coding anecdotes. Happy coding!